What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you some amazing free inventory management tools available in 2025 that are perfect for small businesses, and I have reviewed the top 5 for you. So in this video, I'll break down the features, pros, and who each tool is best for. So let's get started. So first one is the Zoho inventory. So the Zoho inventory is a part of the small Zoho ecosystem and it's perfect for small retailers and online businesses. Free plan includes 50 orders per month, 50 shipping labels, one warehouse, and integration with Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. It is user-friendly dashboard, strong integrations, and inventory plus shipping management in one place. It is best for small e-commerce sellers and growing businesses needing basic automation. And now, let's move to the another one, which is the inflow inventory. The inflow inventory is another strong option offering a solid free version for offline and cloud-based use. The free plan includes 100 products, inventory tracking, sales and purchase orders, basic reporting. The pros are it is simple and intuitive interface. Windows and mobile apps are available and good for wholesale, retail, or service-based inventory. It is best for retailers, wholesalers, or small teams managing stock manually or semi-digitally. And now let's move to the another one, which is Sortly. Now, the Sortly is a visually driven inventory tool with a mobile-first approach. The free plan includes 100 entries, basic custom fields, iOS and Android app support, photo-based inventory tracking. It is very beginner friendly. You can add product, photos, barcodes, and tags. It has a great mobile experience. It is best for small shops, service-based businesses, or inventory on the go like events or repairs. And now let's move to the another one, which is the Odoo inventory. Now, for something more advanced, Odoo Inventory, which is a part of the open source Odoo ERP system, the free plan includes complete inventory module, barcode scanning, warehouse management, unlimited users if self-hosted. The pros are it is highly customable, full ERP level features for free, and it is perfect for scaling. It is best for businesses planning to scale or needing full ERP control. Now, the last but not the least, which is the ABC inventory. And this is a completely free offline inventory solution. The free features include unlimited products, purchase and sales tracking, serial numbers, barcodes, unit of measures, full warehouse operation. Pros are it is 100% free with no hidden charges, great for warehouse style inventory, powerful reporting features, and it is best for manufacturers or wholesalers who don't need online sync. So, that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.